So thank you everybody for coming and joining us tonight. We've got an exciting and I hope entertaining as well as informational evening for you. That same-day dentistry is really what's driving my move to digital. The interest has just exploded and people are really jumping in quick. Part of the transition when people started moving from film into digital x-rays. You know, people were really nervous about, should I let go of my film and can I get used to using the software? And then once people made that jump, they said, oh, I'm so glad I don't have to go in the dark room and expose my films anymore. So what we focus on is open systems. So we want everything to play well together in your office because we know that it can get super frustrating when you can't open a file or this isn't compatible with that. We want to make sure that we support the entire process right down to the final dental prosthetic solution so that you get a successful result and you can come to Henry Schein for all the little pieces along the way, and we cover things end to end. We teach the hardware and the software, so Michelle works with you in office. So the other thing I'll tell you is that we've got a big team at Henry Schein. So I think it's important that if you get stuff, you know there's a company that supports it and people behind it.
I bought everything from Henry Schein because, as I said at the time, they were the only people that could give me the whole thing. The technical support that I have received in relation to the mill and in relation to 3Shape is amazing. And once you get used to using this stuff, once you get used to using your scanner, and if it breaks, you don't want to be without it. I'd take a week off if I couldn't get a loaner. I couldn't do it. This beats anything I've ever done before, and I've tried it all. I've tried the photos and everything else. It's not the future anymore either, it's the present. It's the present.